Hello guys, welcome back to Namecheap. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Systeme.io. So, in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, first things first is you want to access the appropriate channels here. First, go ahead and access Namecheap here and access your dashboard. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and click on our domain list at the left section. And in our domain list, you want to go ahead and click on the Manage that you see next to your domain. Now, in here, we need to access a very specific page, which in this case going to be the Advanced DNS tab. Let's go ahead and click on it. And in this section, you'll be accessing the following options here, which in this case, the option to update records. But just in case if you don't see the option here to update records, what I recommend you try doing here is you want to go back to domain and you want to go ahead and go to your DNS settings. So this is going to be the type of DNS that you have. So let's just wait for this to load up. So in here, you want to go to name servers and you want to make sure that you set this to Namecheap basic server DNS. Click on save. And once you've done that and access advanced DNS, we should now have the correct settings. So let's go and click on advanced DNS here. And this is what we need. It's going to be the records or host records. Now, what I would recommend you try doing here first is I want you to go ahead and delete all the records that you see here first. So you have A records, CNAME records. Go ahead and delete all of those. But once you've done that, let's go ahead and head over into our Systeme.io account. Now, at the top section, you want to go and click on your profile account here. Click on settings. You want to go to the left panel here, and you want to go ahead and choose the custom domains. Now let's go and click on add domain at the top right here. Go back into Namecheap, copy your domain, and let's go and enter it in here. Click on save. Now, by the way, if you have any spaces at the end or start here, make sure to remove that. Click on save. And by the way, the domain must begin in www. So let's go and just type that in here real quickly. Just click on save. Now, in here, it's just going to ask you to fill out some details or add records. So first is we want to go and add the CNAME record here. So we have two records. Let's go ahead and copy this one. And let's go ahead and make sure to enter the value for this one as well. Let's go and go back into our Namecheap account. Let's go to this section here. Click on add new record. Choose the CNAME record here, CNAME. And you want to go ahead and choose your host. Let's go ahead and enter our host here. And also make sure there's no spaces here. So what you need to do here is you just need to get the first three letters going to be WW. And you want to go ahead and go back in here. And you want to go ahead and copy the actual value. Go back in here. Choose your target. And let's go ahead and click on the check here to save our changes. Now, same thing that you need to do here is you want to go ahead and click on add new record. And in here, instead of getting the whole thing, you could go and copy the first section here before the dot, the first dot here. And let's go ahead and choose CNAME again. And enter your host. Want to go back in here, copy your actual value. Go back in here, enter the default value. Click on the check at the right side here to save your changes. And from here on, you can go ahead and click on the X at the top right here to save your changes. And from that on, you're now ready to start using. Now, this might take around like 24 to 48 hours in order for the connection process to complete. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Namecheap. Thank you for watching.